Good morning, boys and girls. It has never been a better time to be going into Year 11. If you are currently in Year 10 and you're moving into Year 11, this is the best year ever. Wait a minute, hear me out. It's the best year ever because the alarm bells have been sounded early. Quite a lot of you have clocked onto the fact that there is a problem here. We have bits of the syllabus that won't have been covered. You still have the same exam to do at the end of the 2 years, and yet you haven't had the 2 years of tuition, 2 years of guided study by your teacher. This is a great thing. This is a great thing because ordinarily it takes Year 11 a long time to realise that you have your final exams at the end of the academic year. We see many laissez-faire, blasé students waltzing into class at the start of Year 11 thinking it's going to be a breeze. Many of those students don't get the message until they receive their mock exam results. And yeah, mock exams are designed to scare you. I said it. Mock exams are designed to scare you. It's designed to show you that you are rubbish and you have a lot of work to do if you're even going to get anywhere near to your target grade, let alone exceed that. So the whole purpose of those is to sound the alarm bells. Other students still don't get the message when their appalling mock results come in. Some students, like my stupid brother, leave it till Easter. I'll never forget, it's about 12, 13 years ago, my brother came home at Easter. Mum, I'm on an E for maths. A what? I don't think anybody in my family has ever got an E in anything ever. Ever. Not even in things like art that we really suck at. Anyway, he came home, I'm on an E at Easter, so he had 6 weeks to get a C, because he had to get a C to get into sixth form and to go on and do the things that he wanted to do. So at the time I was a trainee teacher, long time ago now, 12, 13 years. So the deal was I was going to tutor him to make sure he got his C. I'm not sure I was entirely confident that it was going to be possible, but I decided that that's what we had to do, and so we were going to do it. Anyway, long story short, he got his C. So in 6 weeks from Easter to the exams, he moved himself from an E to a C. That is a huge amount of progress, but it was a lot of work, and it was very, very difficult. It was emotional. It was extremely stressful. He had a horrible summer because, of course, he finishes the exams in June and doesn't find out till the end of August whether he made it or not. So he had an uncomfortable summer. I cannot not recommend it enough. It's a terrible, terrible strategy. But it does go to show that once the alarm bells have been recognised and the alarm bell does go off, things begin to happen. So what's happened for you is the alarm bells have gone off extremely early. Now, the danger is you might burn out. So you're going to have to go, okay, acknowledge the alarm bells. We have a problem. I have this much time and this much stuff to study. Let's break it down. There has never been a better time. You're more aware than any member of Year 11 probably ever. As someone going into Year 11 now, you've already heard the alarm bells. You know you have a problem, but you have so much time to fix that problem. So don't squander it. There'll be plenty of people who waste it. There'll be plenty of people who don't take action. So as always, you know what I'm going to say? Plan ahead, get ahead, and you'll stay ahead. It really is that simple. There has never been a better time to be going into Year 11. Seize it, grab it, make the most of it.